Hello, Chef here. So you're wondering what I'm doing over here? Well, these are wild mushrooms and these are really, really good ones here. Can you identify these? Well, I'm here to help you. These are really cool. These are black trumpets. They're gathered wild in the forest. They're dried. They're packaged. And you can get them right there. Really, really good. So these are amazing if you soak them and then saute a little garlic and onions, maybe a little plum tomato, toss them in there, have them with a steak, some herbs, kind of like a hunter sauce. Wow, really, really good. They're also just really good for you. They're beneficial for your health. And every now and then you can just take one and go, wow, these smell so good, I gotta try it. And wow, they have a great flavor. It's unusual. Very strong, very pungent, very predominant flavor, completely different than other mushrooms. So that's it. Just wanted to give that little tip and show you something about the forest and your health and nature in general. Black trumpet mushrooms. Yeah, I like them. And if you try them, you'll like them too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, keep cooking, have a great day.